welcome to my channel. My name is Sandy and this is the Sister Cousin Lifestyle channel. And over here I do a lot of shopping hauls, I do home decor, I do cooking vlogs, travel vlogs, and what else do I do? A lot over here. So if you're not currently a member of the Sister Cousin Lifestyle family, please be sure that you hit that subscribe button today before you leave, and hit the notification bell so that you're notified each and every time I upload a video. And if you are a returning family member, welcome back. I'm so happy you stopped back by today. So today I'm going to be sharing a shopping haul that absolutely was not planned, but that's the way it is. I was in Hobby Lobby the other day, as I often am, and I was in there actually getting flowers for a floral arrangement that I did, DIY. And they came over the loudspeaker and they said, "Attention Hobby Lobby shoppers, be sure to stop by our new home decor clearance section located between seasonal and whatever else." I didn't even hear the last part. My buggy did a detour over to that aisle because I know exactly where they put the clearance items because that's where I shop. And I was not disappointed. So if you'd like to see what I picked up, then just keep watching. All right, so the first thing I picked up was this tray, and this tray is black and white, which is what I'm going to be doing some decor in black and white. So this was perfect for it, and it was on the clearance rack for $4.99, which was a great price because these trays, you know, they can be anywhere from like, you know, $12, $15 on up. So this one was really cute. This part here is kind of a I don't know, a shiny material or whatever, so that'll be good for any spills or whatever. So I may use it in the bathroom or the kitchen, not sure, but it'll be for a vignette. So be sure that you stop back by for that because I love my vignettes. And then this is a similar tray here, and this was on the clearance rack as well. This regular price was on here at $27.99 and it was $6.99. But it has the check in here, which I just absolutely love. Not necessarily buffalo check. I like the Mackenzie Childs, but I can't afford Mackenzie Childs. So anything that kind of has that inspiration, it catches my attention. But I will use this on my coffee bar or for some type of pastries or something like that, a little serving tray. I just thought it was really cute. I'm gonna try not to say that word cute. I say that all the time. Everything I buy is always so cute. This is a cutting board, a little mini cutting board. The regular price on this was $17.99 and it was $4.99. So I like that as well. And I will probably end up including this in a vignette. I can see myself doing that. This little baby right here, I love this. It is also $4.99 and it is a little small, kind of like a ginger jar, or it's probably a canister, but I'm gonna use it as a ginger jar. If you've been watching my channel, about a week or so ago, I did a thrift haul and I found a solid blue ginger jar. So I'm actually going to make them siblings, and I'm gonna set this right next to that blue ginger jar. I think it's gonna be really cute together. So it is gonna be a ginger jar for me, a part of my home decor upstairs where I do have the navy blue. So loved that. Also picked this little piece of decor up that I'll probably put on the entryway table or maybe use it on a vignette, not sure yet, but it matched with the colors. And the regular price on that was $39.99 and then it was the 66% off. This was the 66% off sale, by the way, not the 90% off that I caught about a week ago. I really thought I was done with Hobby Lobby clearance sales for a while. I had no idea they would double back this quick, but as luck would have it, I was there at the right time. Now this mug was $2 and it is black and white, and I always do a coffee bar for the seasons, and since I'm doing black and white, I needed black and white mugs, so that was perfect. And this here is a plant stand, also in the black and white, and I've recently became a plant mom. So I do have plants in my home. This was $5. It's really cute on a stand, and it is in the black and white. So I'll take one of my smaller plants and put it in here. Super cute. Now, I kept a Christmas tree up after the season last year, and I've been decorating it throughout the seasons or each month or two since then. And my next color combination is going to be black and white. And so they had these string lights. It's 10 LED string lights, but I thought it would be perfect for my tree. And these were $1.99, so I picked up 3 boxes of those, which was all that they had, but I think that's gonna be really nice with the black and white for my tree. So be sure you come back for that. I also picked up a dish towel that was $1.49, and it is in the black and white stripe, which I liked. This little serving dish here, I really like this, and I thrifted a bowl very similar to this some months ago, but this was $3.99, I think that says. I don't know why I always come on here without my glasses on, but I thought it was really nice. It has the gold around here, and whenever I see something like that with the gold and the glass like this, it just gives me Z Gallery vibes. So I just thought this was really nice, so I picked that up as well. Not sure what I'm gonna do with it, but it'll probably just be a serving dish of some sort. I had thrifted a tray probably about this size about a couple weeks ago, and I actually ended up using that in my bathroom for towels. So I thought that was an interesting use of it, but it turned out pretty good. Then they have these pillows here, and this says eat, drink, and be thankful. And I can't see, I think it was $5 or something like that. But these are the pillows, and they're nice. Now these were considered spring items, so you know, for me, since I'm using black and white for fall, it was like perfect timing. These throws were really cute. They have the little pom-pom balls on it, and they were regular price $19.99. They were on sale for $4.99, and I got a black one, oops, and a white one. So I thought they were really nice, and they're super soft and everything. They feel really good. So these were $4.99. 20 bucks, not bad at all, not bad at all. The next item that I bought were these salad spoons, and they have the little check on the ends, which is what caught my attention. And these were $3 and some change, but thought they would be nice in my utensil stand during the season. I got this little bathtub, and this was $2 for this. And so I'm gonna put, you know, some decor in this, and this will go in the bathroom or the guest bathroom, one or the other. And then this little tray, which I guess you can use it for a cutting board or just a spoon rest. That's probably what I'm gonna end up using it for. And this was $1.50, and it just had my initials on it, and I thought it was nice as well. So it went with the decor, and for $1.50, why not, right? That's all I got. I hope you enjoyed the haul. If you have Hobby Lobby near you and you caught the 90% off sale and you need some other decor, or you want to use, they had a lot of black and white, but they also had, you know, other spring summer type items out there. And like I said, I got there when they first put it out, so, and that was just today. So If you have a Hobby Lobby near you, you might want to jet over there for the 66% off, unless you want to gamble and wait till they run it to the 75% off. My Hobby Lobby, if I waited, there wouldn't be anything there. So I knew, since I was there and they had just put everything out, if there was anything that I wanted, I better grab it right then and there, because it won't last long. But anyway, that's all I have. I'm not gonna ramble. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you enjoy shopping hauls, if you enjoy home decor, a little bit of DIYs, travel vlogs, this is a channel that I hope that you will decide to stick around on and subscribe. Hit the subscribe button. It doesn't cost you anything, and I would love to have you. So hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell, and come on back by and see what I'm doing over here on the Sister Cousin Lifestyle channel. Until next time, bye-bye.